Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something essential for anyone running an HP DesignJet T850 or T950 wide-format printer plotter, the 738 ink cartridge replacement. This isn't just any ink. It's a 130 ml, 4-pack solution covering black, cyan, yellow, and magenta, designed to be a direct and reliable alternative to the original HP 738 cartridges, specifically with part numbers like 498 and 5A, 498 and 6A, 498 and 7A, and 498 and 4A. For professionals and businesses relying on these powerful plotters, ink costs can quickly add up. Finding a replacement that doesn't compromise on quality or compatibility is paramount. This 738 replacement set aims to hit that sweet spot, offering a substantial 130 milliliters per cartridge, which is a generous capacity for those large-scale prints and continuous projects. Upon installation, one of the first things users will appreciate is the seamless recognition by the DesignJet T850 and T950. There are no frustrating error messages or compatibility issues. The printer simply accepts these cartridges as if they were the original equipment. This plug-and-play experience is crucial for maintaining workflow efficiency in a busy environment. Now, let's talk about print quality, which is arguably the most critical aspect for wide-format plotters. This replacement ink delivers. The black ink produces sharp, crisp lines and dense text, essential for architectural drawings, schematics, and detailed graphics. The cyan, yellow, and magenta cartridges contribute to vibrant, true-to-life colors, ensuring that maps, posters, and presentations pop with accuracy and visual appeal. There's a noticeable consistency in output, with no signs of streaking, banding, or color shifts, even across large print runs. This level of performance is vital when precision and color fidelity are non-negotiable. The 130 ml volume is a significant advantage, reducing the frequency of cartridge changes and ultimately saving time and money. For offices or studios with high printing demands, this extended capacity translates directly into increased productivity and lower operational costs over time. The convenience of a 4-pack means all primary colors are covered, providing a complete solution right out of the box. In summary, for anyone operating an HP DesignJet T850 or T950 wide-format printer plotter and seeking a high-quality, cost-effective, and reliable ink solution, this 738 ink cartridge replacement is a compelling option. It offers excellent print performance, hassle-free compatibility, and a generous ink volume, making it a smart choice for maintaining professional-grade output without breaking the bank. It truly stands out as a dependable alternative for demanding printing tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.